Mates, cheers. Tip out of the workshop. Do the cylinder bolt wiggle test. Take a cylinder bolt, put it in, and ensure that it wiggles like this. Means that there is enough air for the bolt. Quattrini, look. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. It has to be at least 1 millimeter wider, even 1.5. If one is not wiggling, but like this, you have to widen the bore, otherwise you're gonna kill the cylinder instantly. SIP 200. No, that's an 8, that's not a 7. PX 200 original. Wiggle, wiggle. Shake it. That is an 8 bolt. There has to be enough air in there. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Of course, if you tighten the head screws on the bolts, use a torque key. Ensure it evenly tightened, all 4 rings. Cheers, mates. You see this polished area here? I nearly sized a brand new quattrini M244. Even though setting is right, carb, ignition, mixture was right, everything standard. The cylinder bolt channels are not the same. You see this? How it wiggles? Now, that's the side where it didn't really size it. Now look at this. There's definitely a difference between this one and this one. Means this bolt is too small. Got hot, grew into, and nearly seized. Just a few dyno runs. Oh my. I mean, the cylinder is what, 750? Not that cheap. You can do everything right, and then you have a hardware failure like that. And who will pay for it in the end? Not the seller, not the producer, always the customer. It's so bad. Oh yeah. 8.44, 8.44, the left one, which did not size. 9.6, but the 844 did size. And also here you see that, look. Wiggles like that. And this one. There's way more air in there, and that's what needed as it seems. Means we're gonna scared widen this cylinder bolt bore. Drills, that's a 9.5 drill, that's a 8.5 drill. It is a millimeter too small or smaller than this one. That's the big one. That's the widened one. I didn't take a 9.5 drill. No. Just a 9. Widened all of them. When we now compare, that is the wide one. That's the widened one. Yup. It is same size now. I did not break through at the exhaust port.
Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert, ist das ein Biest jetzt?